So why is using 80/20 ground beef better than leaner options? Couldn't I just buy a leaner option and then add in some healthy fat like avocado oil?
You can do both. If you're keto on a budget, then 80/20 is obviously going to be cheaper. Fattier ground meat, fattier cuts of meat tend to be cheaper. Well, actually, that's kind of not true, right? Like leaner cuts of like steak can be more expensive than fattier cuts, right? And
but when we're talking about hamburger
ground
here.
beef,
Yeah, we're talking about ground beef.
Leaner ground beef is more expensive than fattier ground beef. Anyways,
so generally, it's a budget thing.
Yeah, generally it's just a budget thing. So we just don't want people to be afraid of a 70/30 or an 80/20 ground beef. But you can absolutely do a 90/10 or like a 92/8 ground beef and then add back in some MCT oil, avocado oil to taste or whatever you prefer, really.
And our local ground beef and the organic ground beef around here is 80/85. Yeah, they don't really offer an option. So that's just tend to be what we get is a higher fat beef. I mean, I think that it wasn't until the fat-free era that very like super lean ground beef, like the 93, even started to show up. I could be wrong there, but that's what I think. If anybody has,
and the fattier ground meat tastes better.
Yeah, it has more flavor.
Everywhere. It doesn't really matter what kind it is.
Yeah.